So kasama natin mga kaibigan natin mula sa Kalasag, of course, My Boran Philippines, Crew Archie Buyoso, and of course Justin Fernandez na last time nakausap natin was during the Muay Thailand Festival. Binigyan natin ng konting assignment dito. And of course, both of you are now competing nga dito sa Sea Regional Championships. Pero unahin natin ang ating bronze medalist, si Crew Archie. Crew Archie, what's your take sa performance ninyo today?
Well, it was not what I expected na I was hoping for, pero at least I was able to put out the game that we planned for. Pero may mga technicalities that we have to consider na papag-aaralan namin sa mga susunod na laban para ma-secure namin yung better wins next time.
Nakakapanibago ika nga na of course dito ka pa lang sa fighting ng jiu-jitsu it was a better sabihin natin bigger challenge for you para sa inyo at sa mga teammates ninyo. Anong masasabi nyo?
It was a challenge for us kasi nga this time we're fighting not only against fellow Filipinos but now sa division ko I fought with a Vietnamese. He's a strong opponent. Yun nga, yung sa rules lang and some technicalities that we have to consider na kasi technically bago pa yung contact jiu-jitsu, so we're still adjusting to those things.
Okay, si Justin naman, what's your reaction even hindi ka napalad doon sa performance niya?
Medyo nanibago sa rules, saka yung may additional kasi may punch ahead. Medyo kinulang sa drilling yung changes na sa mga rules.
Pero itong sabihin natin hindi ka aware nga dun sa mga bagong rules ay mapapag-aaralan nyo mabuti para sa susunod na pagsali nyo dun sa combat sa mga international competitions ay mas lalo kayong prepared nga. Ano ang magiging tugon nyo?
Yes po, yan. I-work po namin yung mga bagong rules ngayon. Dinrill namin sa training. At yun, bawi next time.
Okay, ano ang latest na pala sa inyong team, Muay Boran? Kasi ang uling beses tayo nagkausap, pinadala ninyo si Mark Julian Itaas doon sa Thailand for Cambodia for another competition. So, what's the latest sa ating team?
We're preparing right now for the World Championship sa Kunkumer sa Cambodia at this time. It's set to happen sometime in October. We're just waiting for the invite, pero ang team Kalasag naman is always preparing, and yung World Championship sa Cambodia is one of the biggest events that we are actually preparing for.
Pero sa inyo, Justin, ongoing pa rin ba yung training para to make sure na of course pagdating sa Kunkumer, preparado kayo and hopefully makakakuha kayo ng medalya doon?
Yes, ongoing pa rin yung training. Almost every day kami nagsa-train. 6 times a week na training. So pag closer na yung sa competition, twice a day kami nagsa-train, morning and evening training. Para mas mapagandaan.
Lastly, Crew, did you amaze sa suporta ng mga kapwa natin Pinoy? Kasi considering dito sa Pilipinas, sinos na yung competition, pero maybe someday, baka pwede ninyong i-host yung mga nyo nasa Thailand na mga international Thai clubs na yon. So, ano ang siyan ka ba sa suporta ng mga kapwa Pinoy natin?
We are amazed with the support ng mga friends and teammates and fellow Filipinos. And actually, yung view pa lang nung venue is very good and amazing. So, masaya. Another next Philippine pala, by the way, is we're playing sa Relentless. Itong July 19, most of the team is playing there as well.
Pwede nating i-mention yung mga lalaro sa Relentless?
I have at least 5 athletes who are competing sa Relentless. Si Alvin Brioso, si Kaiden Brioso, si Amber Lesito, si Kat Chunakaw, and I think I'll have Eka who's fighting. So I have 5.
Alright.
Maybe I will fight 2.
Abangan natin yan and please send us yung updates na from that event. Baka may gusto kayo pasalamatan, Justin.
Salamat sa support ng mga teammates namin, sponsors. Thank you all.
Alright, Crew Archie.
Thank you sa Kalasag family. Thank you to our teammates, Team Fabricio, Team Fabricio Bulacan, and sa mga supporters namin and our sponsors, Mrs. G and Indira Vicioso.
Alright, thank you so much to the both of you. And magkita tayo soon sa San Jose del Monte. Bibisitahin ko kayo soon. And congratulations to Archie. It was a great win, ika nga. Pero hopefully, ma-improve naman kayo sa susunod. God bless and thank you.
Thank you.